I think that President Obama, sounds good, President Obama will be able to take on the special interests and bring us together, and we'll make progress. Well, there's no question that the Obama election represents a new chapter in the history of America. And you will see a president who will have sensible regulation. We're not going to allow what happened to the financial markets happen again. And that means putting back sensible regulations for financial institutions and reversing some of the deregulation by the Bush administration. So yes, you're going to see a different attitude by this administration. You're going to see one that's going to put the public safety first, that's going to recognize that the federal government has an important role to play to make sure that our communities are safe. That's what the Obama message is all about, that our country can do much better, that we need to move in a new direction. We've got to take on the special interest in Washington. We've got to break the partisan gridlock. We've got to deal with the economy so that working families can keep their homes and send their children to college and pay their energy bills. I mean, that's what the message was. Work together, get the issues resolved. Marylanders want us to work on the economy. They are worried about keeping their homes. They are worried about keeping their jobs. They want to see us deal with the economy. On the environment, the Chesapeake Bay is very important. We're going to have an administration that's going to be much more sensitive on the environmental issues, which is going to be good news for Maryland. Now, Maryland will be able to move forward on their own agenda under a friendly administration. So I think it's going to be a good 4 years for the people of Maryland. It's going to be good for Maryland, it's going to be good for our country, it's going to be good for the world.